हेलो यूट्यूब, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल इंडियन स्नीकर हेड। तो यार आज हम आए एक नई वीडियो लेके एंड इन दिस वीडियो अगेन वी आर डूइंग अ कंपैरिजन, बट दिस टाइम इट्स नॉट अबाउट अ रियल एंड अ फेक वर्जन। दिस टाइम वी आर कंपेयरिंग same model. One is 1.0 and second one is 2.0. Can you guess which sneaker I'm talking about? Okay, I'll show you. The first sneaker is this. These are one of the holy grails of Jordan 1 highs because of its colorway. The retail price of this pair was 16,000 in India. This is a 2018 model and resale value of this sneaker is near about 50,000 rupees. So this is the first model, the 1.0 Shadow. Now here I have the Shadow 2.0s. This is the second version of the same model. You can see the identical colorways, but this is a recent release. Let me check. Yeah, this is a 2021 release itself, and this one, this has just some alternate colors which we'll talk about later. And the resale value of this pair is about 25 to 26,000 rupees. So, is it really worth it to spend 50,000 on this pair instead of spending 25,000 on this pair? We will talk about that in the video. Before we start, let me once again tell you guys, if you haven't already entered this giveaway, then we are doing a giveaway of a sneaker, a budget sneaker, range up to 5,000. You have to check my previous video. I will link it down in the description, and go, if you haven't entered the giveaway yet, then go and enter the giveaway. Now let's talk about the 2018 version first. I'll put it aside. So you can see the main color scheme of the pair is black, gray and the white midsole. It has black outsole and the heel is gray. Similar, this part is almost similar in both the cases. But let's talk about why this sneaker is going off the roofs and instead of the second one. The leather on this is very good. It's very buttery. I have been using it for 2 years and you can still see it is a tank basically. It is used, so but still you can see no star loss. Okay, I'll do some close-ups. I have been beating the shit out of these pairs. I have worn them in snow, I have worn them in many places, but still this pair goes on and on. The quality insanely good. So this was the first thing. It is made up of all leather. The color blocking is, this part is all gray with gray swoosh, black, I don't know what this part is called. The toe box is again gray. You can see how badly it is creased, but it doesn't matter really. The toe caging is black, white midsole, black outsole. Leather quality again, I'm saying insanely good. And this was this pair. Now let's talk about the 2.0s. So again, same colorway. It has gray, black, white midsole, black outsole, and colorway is almost the same. What is different is the material. You can see this gray is not leather. It is leather, but it is nubuck leather. It's not like leather. It's nubuck leather. Rest, the black part is in proper normal leather. The leather on this is, let me check. Yeah, the leather on this is very stiff. The quality of leather is like, if you compare this leather, I will give it a 9 out of 10, and on this leather I will hardly give it a 6 or 5.5 out of 10. So again, the resale value is very low. If you can't afford 50,000 Shadow, then you can afford 25 to 26,000 rupees Shadow 2.0s. Other than that, like what the difference is, you can see is what is same. What is same is basically the model is same. We can all see that the color which is used in both the models is same, which is gray and black. Just this part is reversed. So you can see in 1.0s it is all gray and the toe box, and this is blacks. The toe caging is gray in this and black in this. Other than that, both have gray swooshes, and this part is also same. The gray is a little different. It is a little light of a lighter shade on this one, and it is a darker shade on this one. So this was mostly about it. Now, what I need you to tell me is which colorway will you prefer. I personally prefer this one because this is like one of my beaters, and I really love it. I have owned that pair from the time back in 2018. I bought it then only. It was, might have seen this pair already in my collection. I got it for a very low price compared to its resale. Even if I sell it right now, I can still make double, triple of my money that I paid for these. So do let me know, guys, which pair will you pick? And again, let me say, if you haven't entered the giveaway, go and enter the giveaway. So that's it for today's video. We will be back with a new video soon. So till then, keep loving, keep subscribing, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you all.